can make it.
That is sweet.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Took off nice. Oh no! No!
You lost your range? You lost your reception or what?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look like you.
I never did this before. This is great.
Whoa! Can't turn that sharp.
Oh.
Wow, a lot of power. Oh man.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Yep.
Don't lose it.
I won't. I will.
It's coming.
Oh.
Oh, man.
I thought it was going out there.
Making me nervous.
Oh my God! Got some spring in the front.
Oh, jeez.
What the heck? Back off backward?
Oh. Oh, no. Oh,
Ooh.
jeez.
Not balanced?
I got a bug in my ear. No. No.
Don't worry about the bug.
Ah.
Fly the plane.
I can't fly this plane.
You are way over there.
I don't have a big enough battery in it.
You gotta land it.
Yeah, you know.
Oh. It's real?
Yeah. I'm not doing it. I'm going to shut it off and let it coast.
Holy mackerel. Like a thunder.
You better get out of the way, John's coming.
Yeah. Coming in 60 miles an hour.
Doesn't take much to slam.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta stay up pretty high because of the trees.
Yeah.
Abort.
Abort.
Shut up and land it.
Well, I gotta say I had a good day. Flew this morning, this afternoon, tonight. Not bad. Not bad at all. Wow.
This plane lands good on tar.
Yeah. Oh.